esebenza le company okuthiwa iKingdom Blue Insurance ekhona lapha eSouth Africa. Lo nyaka sithakazela ilanga likaNkomo, ilanga esithi Joshua Nkombo Day, lapho esikhumbula khona imisebenzi kaNkomo njengeqhawe lethu elalelwa inkululeko yeZimbabwe. Kulilanga elihlanganisa bonke abantu baseZimbabwe, njengoba ubona abantu behlangene benje. Esikwenzayo ukuthi asifuni bandlululo, ngoba uNkomo wayengalifuni ubandlululo, wayethanda ukuthi abantu bahlangane njengoba behlangane kanje. Ngakho sisebenzisa leli langa ngendlela yokugqugquzela ukuthi ukubambana yikho kuletha intuthuko elizweni lethu laseZimbabwe.
Lifestyle of a life, because they saw it, it's covered it. As the youth of Joshua Nkombo was like, discover who you are. Know yourself. Know which one developed you have and what's your talent, which is you. Let's get started. Usuku umsebenzi. Ngoba imali ekulandela. Imali ekulandela. Wenza into oyithandayo ngaso isikhathi. Finally, sicela sikhuluma. Angithi siyakhuluma. I know the year that you went through isikhathi. Abazali baningi. From the church, from the accident, from lining up. Abazali baningi kakhulu.
Ezwana nokuthi abantu ilizwe
Some